Welcome back to the Spiritual Tribunal. Today, we are stripping away the modern layers of a term that has been systematically hijacked, the word alien. In our current culture, we have been conditioned to immediately picture travelers from distant planets. But this is a strategic, linguistic deception designed to shield us from a much darker reality. When you look at the original biblical texts, specifically when you examine the depth of the Ethiopian Canon, which preserves the historical understanding of the Watchers, the principalities, and the fallen entities, the word alien never refers to space visitors. It refers to that which is foreign and strange to the Creator's order. These are the fallen beings fundamentally incompatible with humanity. The strategy at play is semantic normalization. By taking these ancient spiritual entities and rebranding them as aliens, as scientific, cosmic curiosities, the architects of this narrative have successfully stripped the truth of its terror. They have turned a spiritual threat into a scientific curiosity, moving the conversation from the realm of spiritual warfare to technological inquiry. This is not just a vocabulary shift. It is a defensive maneuver by the fallen to rebrand their presence in our world. They are actively desensitizing us. Look around at the current climate. You see a population exhausted, indifferent, and conditioned to prioritize radical hospitality toward everything without discernment. The goal is to ensure that when these entities finally present themselves, people will not be shocked, fearful, or resistant. They will be welcoming. This is the grand deception. If you can convince a population that these beings are merely visitors from another planet, you stop them from asking the one question that matters. Are these beings simply the same fallen entities our ancestors were warned were standing against us? We are here in the courtroom of heaven to bring truth to light. You cannot restore order if you are operating on a corrupted, redefined vocabulary. We are moving forward with a commitment to the original covenant, but we cannot carry the corrupted files and the foreign operating systems of the old world with us. We are decoding the language. We are restoring the definitions, because the most important part of any restoration is making sure you know exactly who and what you are standing against. For this message, I have selected the 528 Hz frequency. This is often referred to as the transformation or miracle frequency. It was chosen because this broadcast is designed to act as a spiritual frequency shift. It is meant to clear the noise of modern deception and restore your ability to discern truth at a cellular and spiritual level. Just as 528 Hz is used to resonate with the core of creation, this message is meant to resonate with your original, intended purpose, stripping away the artificial and foreign interference so you can clearly identify the nature of the warfare currently surrounding us. Stay awake, stay investigative, and keep looking past the surface. This is the Spiritual Tribunal. I'm Terrian Davis, and we'll see you in the next one. The algorithm hides these gaps, but we are here to bridge them. The mainstream narrative is a managed container, but truth is found by returning to the original Ethiopian Canon, unfiltered by conquest. If this resonates, like, share, and comment. That's how we break the noise. For the full audit, check the pinned comment for the Sion Frequency Hub. There you'll find the historical texts, my frequency research, and our Steward's Marketplace for community-curated, natural products. Join us, support the work, and let's grow this community. Stay in truth, and pray for wisdom and discernment.